Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. In today's world, we are literally surrounded by pollution. Every day we are exposed to toxins. The air we breathe, the food we intake is filled with pesticides, insecticides which ultimately affect our health. In order to protect ourselves, it is highly important that we have a strong immunity. How to build a strong immunity? I am extremely happy to share with you EQSTA Pure Tulsi Drop with vitamin D3 marketed by Medopharm. I have been taking this product for over a month now and this product is pretty amazing. Now before discussing the benefits and how this product has been extremely useful and beneficial, I would request you guys to please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family if you haven't already, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started. Now as I was telling you guys, this is Pure Tulsi Drops with vitamin D3. Now, if you don't know already, in ancient Ayurveda and in traditional medicine, Tulsi drops or Tulsi in general is considered to be of utmost importance when it comes to building a strong immunity, and it has been consumed for over years now, and its role in getting a strong immunity is said to be vital. So this particular product over here is made up of 5 kinds of Tulsi, and also on top of it, it has got the goodness of vitamin D3. It has got Shyam Tulsi, Rama Tulsi, Van Tulsi, Arjak Tulsi, Kapoor Tulsi and vitamin D3. In case you're wondering, this is all natural, no artificial preservatives are there. It is vegan, it is paraben free, it is 100% organic, it is GMP certified, it is HACCP certified. It comes in a box like this. When you open this, you get this bottle. The top of the bottle is in the shape of a dropper, so it's easier and convenient for us to take out the product because you hardly need just 4 to 5 drops. It also prevents product wastage. Now, like I was telling you, the benefits of consuming Tulsi is immense. Now, it has got so many goodness in it. As I told you, I have been consuming it for over a month now, and to tell you frankly, my family has been consuming it along with me. So you can guess it can be consumed by people of all ages, right from children to adults. It is actually a very good way to invest in the well-being of your family. It has got 20 ml of the product and the price of it is 210 rupees. I'm going to be leaving the links of purchasing this product in the description box below so that you guys can get your hands on it. You must be wondering how to consume the Tulsi drop. You can take 4 to 5 drops of the product in 250 ml of water, or you can take it with juice or smoothies, however you like it. Or if you are a tea lover, then you can just go ahead and put 4 to 5 drops of it in your tea and enjoy it. It is actually a healthier alternative to green tea. All you need to do is take 4 to 5 drops of it in lukewarm water 3 times a day in order to make your immunity stronger. Another very important thing about this product is that it is formulated by Dr. A. Rajendran, International Senior Advisor, ISA Phytomedicine Value Chain Development. He is also a research advisor of phytomedicine in National Industrial Research and Development Agency. Now guys, let's talk a little about the product attributes. Now it definitely enhances immunity, works as an antioxidant, it is a detoxifier and purifier. It has got antibacterial, antibiotic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, anti-allergic, anti-disease properties. It supports bone and muscle health because of the vitamin D3 present in it. Also guys, it reduces stress and anxiety. It is also antiseptic in nature. It has got anti-aging property. It is diuretic. It is carminative. You would be amazed to know that it prevents kidney stone and gives protection against heart problems. It is really helpful in treating children's ailments. It is great against fighting acne, which is a very common problem nowadays. Also protects against diabetes, helps fight cancer, balances hormone and lowers stress. Like I told you, it relieves fever, and it's definitely a good source of vitamin K. Now can you imagine all these amazing benefits infused in this small product? Now like I told you, it has got such good ingredients, 5 different kinds of Tulsi, vitamin D3. Now vitamin D3 is extremely important for people in all stages of life, right from adults, from pregnant women to elderly people to children. everyone basically. Vitamin D3 is an essential component for strong and healthy bones, and for that it is also described as the sun vitamin. It regulates the function of over 200 genes, can you imagine, and is thus essential for growth and development. In elderly, it is extremely important in maintaining balance and cognitive skills, gives protection against fractures. In babies, it develops a strong immune system, it makes the bones stronger. In toddlers, it makes the teeth strong, it gives protection against ear and throat infections. In pregnant women, it is extremely important for the healthy development of baby. It is beneficial for the health of the pregnant women. And in adults in general, it is extremely important in maintaining the health of the vascular system, and it also strengthens the immune system. 3 to 4 drops of this product regularly can strengthen your immunity at such an amazing level. Now this Tulsi drop is indeed a miracle in a bottle. I have been consuming it, like I told you, for over a month now, and I consume it on a daily basis. And I have noticed, to be frankly, I used to catch cold very frequently, but ever since I have started taking it, I have definitely noticed a change. Also guys, it has definitely increased my stamina, and I used to get stressed a lot because of my work, but ever since I have started taking it, I have certainly noticed some change. I'm sure everyone is busy nowadays in terms of work, in terms of managing our home, and there are a lot of stress and anxiety in our life, which ultimately results in mental as well as physical stress. So it's extremely important to take a health supplement which has got such amazing benefits, and what better than Tulsi, which is queen of herbs, and it is 100% organic, no added preservatives or anything. It is really convenient to consume on a daily basis. I would highly recommend you all to take this in your daily lives, incorporate it in your daily lives, and take it religiously, and also to share it with your family members. Trust me you guys, Tulsi has got such good benefits. It has got healing power. Tulsi leaves extract strengthen the stomach and induce copious perspiration. It is really effective against fever and common cold. The leaves of basil are specific for many fevers. It is therefore used in the treatment of cough and cold. It is extremely helpful in respiratory disorder. It is helpful in kidney stone and heart disorder, like I told you, and it is extremely useful in mouth ulcers and infections. Also guys, if you are trying to lose weight, consuming it would really help the process. For kids, it is recommended to mix 2 drops, and for adults for 12 years and above, recommended to mix 5 drops of pure Tulsi drop in a glass of water twice a day, or as directed by the health professional. Each drop contains 12 IU of vitamin D3 approx. This product, marketed by Meadowfarm, is extremely beneficial, and I would highly recommend you all to go ahead and consume Tulsi drop, because Tulsi in general, like I told you, with D3 is extremely beneficial for maintaining your health, boosting your immunity, and the best part is that people of all ages can consume it. And I feel the price point is quite good for the immense amount of benefits you get out of the product. And in case you're wondering, I haven't had any side effects after consuming this product, so go ahead and get your hands on it and make your life healthy and happy. That's it for today's video, you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.